Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So are you ready to get a slice, just a little bit of that $1 trillion pie, which is called government contracts? Yes, yes, yes. It's really yummy. Now, GSA, you've probably heard a lot about it. GSA is General Services Administration, and they are the #1 agencies that use government cleaning contracts. Absolutely. So in this video, I'm going to give you exactly what you need to get started utilizing GSA. Ready? Let's go. Okay. Now, first, you do have to be registered in sam.gov. So you've got to look through some of my previous videos. There's one where I take you step by step on how to register through sam.gov. Number 2, I'm going to give you first for the companies that have been in business for 2 years. You're then going to require your financial statements. And number 3, you're going to need measurable past performances. That means that they can look them up either through your resume or if you've done past performance for the government. Now, a lot of you are saying, come on now, Miss M, we do not fall in that category. Okay, I get you. No concern. Now, for those of you that do not fit in that category, still want a piece of that $1 trillion pie, government cleaning contracts, and you know that GSA is doing billions of dollars, that's with the B, in our industry, you want some of it as well, right? Okay. This is what you can do. You can also get a piece of it's called Multiple Award Schedule. You've heard of it, GSA schedule. But you don't fit the other category and you still are interested because you're a newer company and you're ready. All right, this is what you can do. So first, you still have to be registered with sam.gov. So like I said, look through my previous videos, go step by step by step and see exactly what you need to do to register your business in sam.gov. Once you've gotten your cage code and you're all done with that, then this is what you need to do. You're going to be involved in their springboard program. It's called a startup springboard. And it's the same thing, it's called MAS-Multiple Award Schedule Startup Springboard. Now, you're going to need this. You do not have to be in business for 2 years. You do not have to have measurable past performance. What you are going to need is you as the key personnel. You're probably the CEO and you are the president, the head of your company, the founder, president, CEO. What they're going to look at in exchange for your corporation having past performance, they're going to look for you. You've done something that definitely measures where you can offer. It's called an eoffer with GSA. So once you have gotten, you don't have to have the 2 years, but you do need to be registered in sam.gov. You've written out your personnel, your experience as the entrepreneur. You should have a resume anyway, because if you're doing any search or anything along that line with the government, you're going to need that resume. So make sure you have that resume ready as an entrepreneur of your company, okay? And then the third thing is you're going to just need financial documents. They don't have to be financial statements, just documentation of your finances. It could simply be a snapshot of probably of your bank statement, but something financial. And we all need to make sure that we are taking great care of showing some type of documentation for our finances. I know I've mentioned that before. Now, once you have all of these things, then you are ready to go on to the roadmap of GSA, and you're going to understand submitting an eoffer and what all that means. Now, if you want to know more, then guess what you can do? You can actually join my Facebook. There's a link in the description that's going to tell you exactly how to get this information, and you're going to be able to get a big piece of that $1 trillion pie. That's right. So GSA, let's get started. Let's get started now. You absolutely have no excuses because I just gave you all the best things that you need to do. So make sure you go to our Facebook group, sign up, download the information. It'll be right there for you. And if you want more things that you can do, look in the description. We've got so many things that are going to get you up and going in government or commercial, because our goal is what? To get you to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! That's our goal. All right. So what you need to do is look in the description. You can sign up for our Masterclass workshop. Government, commercial government is coming up this Wednesday, noon. Would love to see you there. Space is limited. We only take 25 people because we love to do a lot of Q&A and get you on and off very, very soon. So make sure you register now. And we also have our commercial class that are on Thursdays and so many other great things to get you started in the right direction. Love, love, love to see you at one of the events. And I'd love to see you in our Facebook group. So until next time, much success. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.